in love, so much in love. I think once, not I think. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and for those who are new, welcome guys. Today's video is all about TMI, or too much information tag. Actually, the questions are not tagged to me, but I got it from this pretty cool YouTuber. Her name is, or her YouTube channel's name is Pretty Mary. I got it from her. I was watching her video about this, and then I was like, I was wanting to, to answer some questions like this kind of questions, um, for you guys to know more about me. Yeah, so I'm gonna put her channel's link in the description box, so you can subscribe as well. Yeah, so let's get started. And by the way guys, yes, so this is like connected to really what I wanted to film today, because finally I have reached, at this moment I have 427 subscribers. Yay! Oh my gosh, thank you guys, thank you for those for all of those who subscribed on my channel. It's been a year now that I have been in the YouTube world. I know I'm not kind of regular because of so many reasons, which taking my time. But as what I have promised, I'm gonna try my best to be regular. And yeah, I'm so happy. I've got 427 subscribers so far, and I hope it will grow more. Makakuha pa ako ng mas marami ang ate ko. And yes, thank you so much guys sa mga subscribers ko for always watching my videos, and for those who are about to subscribe, thank you so much, and rest assured that I will always support you guys. Ganun naman ako eh, basta meron ako talagang time, I make sure na I watch your video and I support you, and that is a promise. Yeah, so since I have 427 subscribers, I want the subscribers to know me more through this TMI, or too much information question. So let's get started guys. So first question is, what are you wearing? So today I'm just wearing this shirt, long sleeves shirts, because it's very cold. Yeah. And ever been in love? Of course. Ever had a terrible breakup? Yes, I had. Really terrible. And I almost wanted to end up my life. And that was with my husband as well. How tall are you? I'm 5'3". How much do you weigh? How much do I weigh? I think right now, because I really lost weight a lot, I think 56, somewhere 56 to 58. Yeah. And any tattoos? No, I don't have tattoos. Any piercing? Yes, aside from this piercings here, I also have like 4 here and even same here, but I don't know, I think they're closed now. OTP, I don't know what OTP is. Favorite show is, so far, if I'm in the Philippines, it's Showtime. Now over here, I just always watch Ellen. And favorite bands, all-time favorite is actually what's that? The Eagle. Oh, all-time favorite ko yun. And napaghahalata tuloy yung age. Something I miss is the Philippines. And of course, my loved ones. My daughter especially. Favorite song? My favorite song is Queen of My Heart. Cats or dogs? Dogs. I hate cats. Not really I hate because I'm allergic. Zodiac sign, I am Virgo. A quality you look for in a partner? Actually, simple lang naman ako eh. Ang gusto ko lang is yung responsable. Of course, mabait. Yeah. Favorite quote? Favorite quote is time is gold. Favorite actor? My favorite actor is Nicolas Cage. Favorite color is light green and light blue. Loud music or soft? I like soft music. Where do you go when you are sad? Usually when I am sad or when I feel happy, I just sit in a corner. I don't have a specific place to go, but yeah, when I am really, really down and really, really sad, I go to the church. How long does it take for you to shower? Shower means like body shower, 10 to 15 minutes. How long does it take you get ready in the morning? 1 hour. Kagat. Ever been in physical fight? Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Turn on, nice toenails. Turn off, bad odor. Yung may putok, may anghit. The reason I joined YouTube, the reason I joined YouTube mainly was that time I left my job and I was kind of bored at home. And then I was like browsing in YouTube, and then I got inspired. So that's why I'm here now. Yeah, fears. Of course, I am in fear of death. Yeah. Sino ba naman ang gustong mamatay? Last thing that made you cry? Last thing that made me cry, I don't remember. I think when I left just recently when I left Brisbane. Yeah. Last time you said you love someone. Last time was yesterday. Meaning behind your YouTube name. My YouTube name is actually it's IE Time. IE is my nickname. My real name is Irene. So it's IE Time, like it's my time. It's yeah, it's IE Time. Last book you read, I don't remember anything so far because I don't like reading. The book you currently reading, no. Yeah, as of what I said, I'm not a reading fanatic. Last show you watched, Ellen. Last person you talked to, my daughter, just a while ago. So relationship between you and the person you last texted. It should be texted. Yeah, daughter. She's my daughter. Favorite food? My favorite food is pakbet. Place you want to visit Europe. Last place you were? Brisbane, Australia. Do you have crush? Yes, of course, I have crush, and he is yeah, aside from Nicolas Cage, crush ko si Robin Padilla. Huwag niyo ako ibabash. Crush ko siya, promise. Last time you kissed someone, I don't remember. Long time. Last time you were insulted, yeah, just last week when I came to Sydney. Nasa video ko yun. Last video ko. Favorite flavor of sweet, I love strawberry cake. Strawberry cake. Yeah, and yeah, strawberry cake. Cheesecake. Strawberry cheesecake. What instrument do you play? Actually, I was long time back. I know how to strum the guitar, but I don't know now kung alam ko pa. Favorite piece of jewelry? Yeah, just this earring. Just earrings. I mean, specifically earrings. Last sport you played? I'm not a sporty person. I don't have any sport. Last song you sang? Last song I sang is When We Were Young by Adele. Favorite chat app? What's up? Have you ever used it? Of course, every day. Last time you hang out with anyone? Yeah, anyone. It was like, I think 1 month ago with a friend. Who should answer these questions next? So, who should answer these questions next will be in my in the description box. So yes, that's it, guys. So there were 50 questions. All are answered except for one, which is OTP. I don't know what OTP is. So I hope you have learned something about me. Just basic information about me. And I hope you like the video. And if you do, please leave a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And yes, guys, I hope dumami pa yung aking subscribers. So thank you so much again for always supporting me, and God bless us all, guys. And then I see you again on my next video. Bye.